Hey, what are you working on? Oh, just finishing up a few vintage sewing machines. Wow, those look really nice. But those tires sure do look bad. Yeah, I usually replace them last just so they don't get any oil on them. Cool. What color are you using? Yeah. I think Henry Ford put it best when he said, "You can have any color you want, as long as it's black." Really? Yeah, why do you ask? Check these out. Whoa! What was that? And where did that music come from? These are the newest product on Sewing Machine Repair Guy's Etsy store. How can I find that? There's a link right here. And there's also one down in the video description below. These really make these machines pop. Well, that's not all. Are you kidding me? These are awesome. I always used to use these red ones I found on the internet. And these are also available starting today on my Etsy store. This is gonna change everything. Thanks, Sewing Machine Repair Guy. Now only if I could find a better writer for these videos. Check these out. Probably should have thought that one through.